And then I was asking, why is it that me who was messy was sorry, as who the buafu, and I'm sad, or so the third appointment, or your own and channel, or your own appointment, and I'm saying, a dear important or person because Messiani 2 times they didn't talk about anything tangible, near your family, no, but some grand saying, what is the big day now? Now we'll be so about tea alabaster yet tell no me idea. Me mofreya was so high upon one. They want to hug me, they want to come and say hello, and no me idea. A dear me preachy, a DMB na yapon or baby catcher. A DMB and why is it that Uba sorry and you want to see soften on who soften now buafu. Because I was yes until now by Anna. Was it Christ? Was it Yaminti now? And didn't buafu. There is a lady that came to church, Mama Comfort. Shatadia Shannon yet. And Sister Kofi and his home, brother. And then she went home and changed and came. And then I asked her, the other Benny, the other buyer, no, the one there, no, so we, Namsumidena may say, Anto hinted. Anto hinted. Obi wa go call or maybe. I told hinted ya. But on Kungron a do ba say, Kuma phone with the woman. Yenya huejuma. Yeah. Kuma phone with the woman. Yenya huejuma. And I had to ye boni ye huejuma. It didn't ye come with sequema bufu. According to the book of Proverbs, Abua. Dear would children mukana ya boa. Only children muka. But dear dinner may have some more tetene dear or one botere. Said dear TB, however, some or dear Nante. I pray that God grants you grace and that the grace takes you far. May you never depart from your faith. May you never way away or sway away or divert from unyame kwanso. May it never be said that Christo may it never be said that may the grace and the hand of the Lord continue to shine on you. May the Lord guide and solidify your faith that is in Christ. May you never be a castaway. Yeah. May you be grounded in the oil of his grace and in the word of salvation.